The Doogee company is once again disturbing the market with a high-end tablet and a budget-friendly price, leaving the competition struggling to keep it up. It's equipped with the latest and fastest 4G chipset available, the MediaTek Helio G99. The device boasts a large 11-inch 2.5K display offering stunning visuals, paired with up to 15GB of RAM and long-lasting 8580 mAh battery with added confidence of a stylus and a keyboard. The tablet effortlessly runs on the latest Android 13 operating system. Make sure to watch this Doogee T30 Pro tablet video review for more details. As you can see, the Doogee T30 Pro comes bundled with a large of accessories. Alongside the tablet itself, we also receive an additional stylus pen and a wireless keyboard case set. But before we delve into the accessories, let's start with the unboxing process. Opening the box, we greeted by the T30 Pro tablet, already dressed in an elegant and protective grey folding cover. Moving on, we find some essentials items such as a paperwork, user manual instructions, SIM pin, USB Type-C charging cable, and the 33-watt fast charger to quick charge the tablet's large battery. And lastly, a white stylus pen. Now that we've gone through the contents of the box, let's shift our focus on the tablet itself. Introducing the all-new T30 Pro tablet model from Doogee. Below the video, you'll find a link with current pricing and more detailed information about this tablet. Feel free to visit the link, and the prices are incredible favorite for such a premium device. The Doogee T30 Pro boasts an impressive 11-inch 2.5K massive display and offers a brightness of 350 nits. It's equipped with the 8GB of RAM and additional 7GB of virtual RAM, totaling of fast and responsible 15GB. With 256GB of storage, expandable up to 1TB using a microSD card, this tablet provides ample space for all your files. It features the latest and fastest 4G chipset available, the MediaTek Helio G99, and comes preloaded with the latest Android 13 operating system. The T30 Pro also stands out with its high-resolution quad stereo setup, a slim profile of 7.6mm and a lightweight design, weighing only 545 grams. It supports 32 watts fast charging and is backed by a 8580 mAh battery for extended usage. In terms of camera capabilities, the tablet offers a 20MP rear-facing camera with an aesthetically pleasing design, along with the 8MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The tablet overall design is stylish and premium, featuring a slim and compact form factor. The back panel is made of metal in an elegant grey color, giving an expensive look. If this tablet has the Samsung logo on it, it would likely come with a much higher price tag. Fortunately, Doogee offers it at more affordable price. Taking a closer look at the tablet layout, we find the power button, volume buttons, and a microphone hole on the upper side. On this side, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, two speakers, USB-C charging port, and a slot for either a microSD card or SIM card. The tablet supports two 4G nano SIM cards or one nano SIM plus TF card slot with expandable storage of up to 2TB. On the opposite side, we find two more speakers, resulting in a total of 4 stereo speakers for immersive audio. As the bottom side of the tablet, there is a pogo pins for connecting to the keyboard and an additional microphone hole. From the front, we can see 8MP front camera positioned in the middle, accompanied by a pre-installed screen protector. The T30 Pro 11-inch display offers a bright and large vibrant experience with near bezel-less edges. The 2.5K resolution, 2560 by 1600 pixels in a 16 to 10 aspect ratio and a good refresh rate. The maximum brightness of 350 nits ensures usability in various lighting conditions, including sunlight. The thin bezels on the sides enhance the immersive display experience. The T30 Pro display is designed to protect your eyes, as confirmed by TVSUD. It undergoes a rigorous test for blue light ratio, long-term use and flicker-free performance, making it a suitable choice for extended tablet usage. Overall, this tablet is perfect for watching videos. Thanks to its large, high-quality display with vibrant colors, it's ideal for streaming platforms like YouTube, Netflix, HBO or Disney+, and it even supports wide-line L1 TMR, ensuring a pleasurable viewing experience. Additionally, the tablet is suitable for children. We also get this separate professional stylus. This multifunctional ultra-smart stylus offers 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise drawing and low latency input. It is a perfect match for users involved in drawing or web design when combined with the tablet. The tablet operates on the latest Android 30 operating system, making it ideal for multitasking and seamless app switching. It offers a clean Android experience without any bloatware or unexpected ads commonly found on the Xiaomi or Poco devices, which is highly desirable. The pre-installed Google Play Store provides access for a wide range of apps, ensuring easy synchronization when switching from another device. T30 Pro allows for extensive customization, including dark themes, wallpaper changes, icon modifications, and interface color adjustments. The user experience on this tablet is well crafted and user-friendly. At the bottom of the tablet there is a magnetic pogo pins for easy connection to the keyboard. The keyboard instantly connects upon contact, eliminating the need for charging. The keyboard case itself is decent quality, and having a keyboard option, it's a valuable addition, especially considering that the many tablets in this category do not offer such functionality. It enhances the tablet's potential and maximizes productivity. The keyboard features a trackpad, making certain tasks more convenient for users accustomed to using a trackpad. It also helps to keep the screen free from fingerprints. The keyboard is quiet, comfortable to type on, and highly responds to the touch. It boasts high-quality constructions on par with much more expensive Samsung tablets and similar offerings. The T30 Pro performs excellently running tasks and apps smoothly without any lag. It excels in multitasking, allowing users to seamlessly switch between various activities. The tablet's exceptional performance, coupled with the unique set of specifications and features, sets it apart from other brands in the same category, even those with significantly higher price tag. Using this tablet is an exciting and seamless experience. Gaming enthusiasts will find great enjoyment in popular titles available in the Google Play Store. As the T30 Pros offer MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, ensures smoothly gameplay without any lag. The tablet offers ample storage space and can even be expanded up to 2 TB using a memory card, making the Google Play Store gaming section a favorite destination. The tablet's 4 speakers, 2 on each side, deliver loud and high-quality audio, providing an immersive, high-resolution audio surround sound experience. One of the most impressive aspects personally is its aesthetically pleasing camera module with the LED flash on the back. The tablet features a 20 megapixel main camera from Samsung, which performs well for a tablet. I captured a few quick photos and video samples with the camera, so let's take a look. Not to mention we have impressive 8580 mAh battery that is optimized for long-lasting usage. This massive battery ensures uninterrupted operating through the day without any compromises. Additional 33W fast charger is included in the package for swift recharging, allowing the tablet to be charged in no time. I must also highlight the standard retail package comes with the tablet itself, charger, data cable, SIM card removal pin, user manual, stylus pen and a TPU leather case. The Doogee T30 Pro supports connection to external keyboard through the docking plug-in interface. However, the keyboard or keyboard-equipped case needs to be purchased separately. Now let's talk about my impressions of this tablet. The T30 Pro boasts a sleek metal body and it's available in 3 different colors. The display is a standout feature featuring a 2.5K resolution as essential eye protection, making it suitable for users of all ages, including kids. When it comes to performance, the tablet delivers excellently. It offers an impressive 8GB of RAM, which can be expanded up to 15GB. Moreover, it provides 256GB of built-in storage and the option to upgrade the internal storage space by up to 2TB, which is quite remarkable. Considering all these features, I believe the T30 Pro is an excellent tablet for various purposes. Be in business, study or work. You can enhance your productivity with the magnetic keyboard and a stylus. Furthermore, it excels as a gaming tablet, allowing you to enjoy the latest gaming titles during your free time. The high quality display and quad speakers also make it perfect for watching videos. If you're interested in this tablet, and I'm certainly you are, you can find the official sales links below this video. Make sure to visit it soon to take advantage of the promotional price and get your hands on the new T30 Pro tablet today. This is opportunity you don't want to miss. That's all for now, see you soon with some new review, bye.